little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Come on, show me your hand and count the number of fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 4 fingers and a thumb in one hand. What if we try to group them into pairs, that is in a group of 2? So these 2 fingers will form the first pair and these 2 fingers will form the second pair and the thumb is left alone. That's the trick for our next topic. Today in this video we are going to learn about odd and even numbers. From your Intelli Smart Box, take out the number sticks, numbers tokens, numbers kit and the number line. So we were making pairs, remember it? A number which can be fully made into pairs is called an even number, and if it doesn't, then it is an odd number. Based on this concept, let's play a game using our number line. For this, you will need numbers giant wheel, number line, a base token and a number stick. To start the game, keep the numbers giant wheel ready with side 1 to 50 facing you. Lay out the complete number line on the table and fix your number stick into the base token from the smaller side. Like this. Now you are ready to play the game. Spin the numbers giant wheel and observe the number which the rocket arrow points to. Remember, if it points between 2 numbers, spin it again. Let's say the rocket arrow points to number 14. So place the number stick on the number line at 0. Now which is the number that you got on the numbers giant wheel? It is number 14. To determine whether the number is odd or even, we shall apply the rule of skip counting by 2. Remember the way you hopped your number sticks previously? That while doing the skip counting of 2, if the number stick lands on the selected number, then it's an even number. And if the number stick does not land on the selected number, then it's an odd number. Since we got the number 14, so let's start the skip counting by 2 from 0. After doing the skip counting by 2, we will come to 2 and then to 4, then to 6, then to 8. Remember what was your number? It was 14. We have to see whether the number stick lands on 14 or not. After 8, we are doing the skip counting by 2. So here comes number 10. Now we come to number 12. And there we go. It's number 14. Wonderful. Since the number stick lands on number 14, it's an even number. Isn't it interesting? Now let's try for the other number. Let's say that you got the number 7 on your numbers giant wheel. So put in your number stick on number 0. We will do the skip counting by 2 and see whether the number stick lands on 7 or not. We come to 2, then 4, then 6 and then 8. Oops, number 7 was left behind. So it is odd or even? Absolutely correct. Since the number stick doesn't land on number 7, that's why it is an odd number. After playing this game, now you have understood the concept of odd or even numbers and learned how to identify the number as odd or even. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.